Hey everyone, this is Tina from Content Creators Club
using AI. So if you don't already know who I am, I help content creators scale their content, impact, and income using no-code workflows, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. So today we're going to be talking about the no-code piece. But if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I really love your feedback because I really hope that this content helps you out. But I also want to tinalopez.com. So if you're looking for a resource to really, send weekly tips on how to scale your content, impact, and income, that's a great newsletter that we've created for you to do just that. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the agenda of this video. Today we're going to be talking about the problem, our use case that kind of encapsulated the whole reason why we created and find this tutorial. And then we're going to talk about the Draw It With Me plan on how we kind of expect the process to look like. And then we're going to do the plan to action walkthrough on how it actually looks like. And then we're going to talk about where you can get this no-code workflow as well as tool. So the first thing that I want to talk about is what is the problem? Well, the problem that I see way too often when it comes to video content creation, one of the reasons why I avoided it for so long was that it just takes way too long to edit a video, and it's a very steep learning curve to understand video editing software. Personally, I rather not, spend my time learning a software. I'd rather just have a software that can just upload a video, make it super easy, and then I can just take the video fully edited and done. So that's the problem that I have when it comes to creating videos, is that just the editing process takes way too long. But if you feel like you're at a place where you can't create quality videos because of the editing process, or you feel like you have to do it all with sourcing royalty-free music, auto-cutting awkward silences, all the things that when it comes to creating a quality video, those are the things that just take too much time, then, it really impedes the process for you to create content at scale because of the editing. So I kind of would say that, those were all the reasons why I kind of prevented or procrastinated creating videos, was because I came across all those challenges. But you really want to be in a place where you edit videos in less time, you publish video content faster, and you have an all-in-one editing tool that allows you to really just do all the things for you without actually you having to do the work. And what's bonus about the tool that I'm going to share with you is that you can also get subtitles. So you could definitely leverage those subtitles and those transcripts to create a Google Doc, and then if you want to include that link into your video description for those who are hearing impaired but still want to watch your video, then they can read the Next thing that we're going to talk about is the Draw It With Me plan. So there are really three ingredients when it comes to creating this video workflow process. Is that you're going to do video planning. This is just something when it comes to creating content. You want to outline your content, do all the things that are necessary for you to create just really good content. And then you're actually going to record your video. I personally use and recommend Komodo Decks. It's a great tool that we'll talk about in a second. And then lastly, the star of the show, the star of this video, is Wisecut AI. It's a really great tool that allows you to do all the things of video editing, leveraging AI, and you don't really have to do much work at all. So let's kind of walk through the workflow process of what it looks like from filming video to receiving the finished product. So that's exactly it. You film the video, you upload video to the AI software, and you receive the finished product. You may need to do some minor edits, but generally that's completely up to you. It's completely optional. I would say, the first draft that this AI tool does is actually pretty good to begin with, but again, do what works best for you. The last thing that I would say is that as a bonus, if you decide to get Wisecut AI and you sign up for their annual plans, then definitely fill out the proof of purchase form if you use my specific affiliate link to purchase this software, because I would love to give you kind of a gift to say thank you. And a gift that I'm thinking that would work really well for this is, having this automation workflow where it takes the finished product that, Wisecut AI creates and automatically posting that to YouTube for you on your behalf. Truly no touch. I've been able to figure this out myself, and I would love to just give you that gift if you decide to purchase an annual plan with my specific affiliate link. And that's just Now let's go ahead and walk through this process. So the walkthrough tutorial, if you're watching this video, this is the walkthrough tutorial. If you're wondering where you can get this product, I definitely recommend to review the link in the blog or description. I would say, as a disclaimer, I am an affiliate, but I recommend and use the products that I promote. I do make a commission and no extra cost to you, so if you purchase through my link, it's just a great way to support me during the journey. And I would definitely say fill out the proof of purchase form so we can give you a thank you gift for purchasing through. So let's get to the first step when it comes to filming your video. Like I mentioned, I do definitely use Komodo Decks. It's a really great software that I use personally. One of the great things that I love about it is that it's very similar to Loom, but I would say it's a better version to Loom, is that, you can do, all these video editing processes if you have Mac, but you can also, record guides, and it's just a really great tool. So I definitely recommend for you to use it if you are, thinking of what softwares you would like to use. Then when it comes to actually recording your videos, what it really does is that it houses all your videos in one section, so it auto uploads it to you, which is really great. And then you can go to the recording section and you could do one of two things. When you have the finished recording, you can download the video from the recording section, or once when you're done filming the video, it will actually automatically pull up this kind of file folder, I would say, where it just pulls up, the video that you recorded, as well as anything that you took guides of. And so if you're on the setting of guides, what I would say, which really sets apart Komodo Decks from any software that I've seen personally, is that whenever you click, as you can see, there's little I would say yellow boxes around it. Those are things where if I click on it, it will actually take a picture of it, which makes it really great for documenting stuff. So if you are doing, tech tutorials or tech documentation, and you're filming this video and you just took, a little click right here, then it'll take the picture for you, and then you could just take those information and put it within your article or within your documentation. So, but this is just a video about how I use it within my content business. Next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and download the video, and then we're going to walk you through the process of uploading it to Wisecut AI. So it's a great tool that makes video creation made easy or made wise. So you can do online automatic video editing that uses AI to really just do the entire process. You can leverage it for short videos to grow your audience. And what I really love this is that, it saves time with auto cut silences. I would definitely say if I'm looking to, edit the video, all I really have to do is pause throughout the, video, and then it will automatically take that, find the pauses and remove them for me on my behalf, which is pretty awesome, because it just generally just saves time. And then you can engage, and then if you want to do, you can do smart background music that actually fits your video. It really sources the music that works best for your video. Even better, you don't have to find royalty-free music. It does it for you, which is pretty awesome. And then the next thing that it talks about is it does automatic audio docking. So say, for example, when you're pausing throughout a video, you can actually have the background music to be raised higher while, you're not talking in the specific video. But say if you're talking, then you want the video to actually, pick up on your specific sound higher than the background music. So it'll actually lower the background music. So I personally really like this, and it does a bunch of other things that I would say is not really included in their sales page, but we'll walk through the specifics on what it looks like on the inside. So when it comes to opening a project or creating a project, this is kind of the dashboard that you have. As you can see, I uploaded a video recently, but let's just walk you through the process. You're going to select new project, add the media that you want to upload your files to. Once when you upload the video that you've taken a download of, you're going to go ahead and select next, give the project a name, and then spoken language. So let's gonna just do test, and then spoken language, English. And then if you want to have the specific features that the AI can do, you can feel free to select, smooth cuts, auto cut silences, smart background music, auto duck, auto punch in and out, burned in captions. I use that sparingly. If you wanted to have captions burned into your videos, you could, but it's not necessary. And look at that, it's in our hands now, so that's pretty awesome. Like I said, all you have to do is just upload the video and it does the video editing on your behalf. Now what's going to happen is that once when your video is, processed, things like that, this is what happens afterwards. You're going to get an email, saying, hey, this is your opportunity to preview the project. You're going to feel free to select open project, and this is your opportunity if you want to make minor edits. It's something that you don't have to do, but it's something that maybe might be good for you to look at just to see if the edits that, Wisecut did were actually really good. Majority of the time, it's pretty good in my opinion, and I don't have to do much edits. I just press export and call it a day, but it's something that if you wanted to do, you could do. Now let's kind of talk a little bit about what you're going to get once when you actually, want to do your edits. So you can see the preview of the video, see the background music gets selected, all those things. But if you want to actually edit and change out the things that they mentioned, maybe you didn't like a specific scene, you can actually, you know, choose the scene that you want to edit. So what's great is that if you want to edit the subtitles, you can, you know, choose to edit the subtitles. If you wanted to, you know, configure the scene framing, you want to add an overlay, split the scene, all those things when it comes to actually, you know, having a really great editing software, it's a really great, easy tool to use for you to actually do all the processes when it comes to editing the actual video itself. And then let's just say that you actually had a silence in a video that you didn't want to hear. Back by pressing this right here, and it will bring the video back for you. You can select the scenes for a short video that you would like to see, and you would just select the scenes and then it will combine them together to create an actual short video. And then if you want to do other things, say for example you have an international audience and you want to, you know, take it out to Portuguese and all these other languages, you can feel free to do that.
Works best for you. I tend to use smart background music because it's easy for me. And then when it comes to settings, one of the things that I would say is that when it comes to the volume settings, you may want to edit that. Again, what works best for you. Sometimes the music can be a little bit high and you can't really hear my voice in the videos. So what I do is I always lower the music, make sure the music is lower and then my voice is higher, and then have the auto duck so it can change in and out when if I'm doing pauses. So really take care of that. Go ahead and press apply. We've already done that. And then what you're going to do is, if you want to do, you could do background noise canceling, all those things. You're going to select preview and export. What's going to happen is that if you're going to, you know, made edits, you're going to render the new video so that you can see the new preview of it, just to make sure that your edits actually look good. But if your edits look good and you've already created the video, then all that's going to happen is that you're going to be taken into this page, press export video, and then it will actually finalize all those edits, make it really good for you to actually prepare to upload to YouTube. And then when that video is ready to go, you're gonna get, you know, great news, your video is ready. You can go ahead and email, download the video, download the subtitles, so it's all ready to go for YouTube. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. But this is the A to Z process using Wisecut AI that's going to really help you edit your entire video editing process, and that's really going to help you from A to Z. So feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!